What's up, guys? We're in this Volkswagen Polo. It's not a pizza, it's a car, and we are gonna drive today, guys, through the city. And this is the city, this is the car, 1.6 TDI with 90 horsepower, and that was Bollywood talking, guys. So we have here DSG gearbox, 7-speed, very nice gearbox, very nice chok choron. And let's go, guys, in direct. Let's go and drive in the city. Wow, it pulls well. And this DSG shifts really cool. So by using a fast DSG with a lot of speed, 7-speed here, actually you can use this 90 horsepower engine. Very cool. You have short gears but really aggressive gears. You have sport mode too and manual mode, which is on direct. That is a strange thing about that car. And no matter you're in manual mode, if you put the kick down, it downshifts for you. Under steering is what we observe here. Of course. Some diesel crunch noise. It's a nice, really dynamic city car with a little delay when you push the pedal until it realizes what do you want from me. But after that, DSG is just whiting fast. Of course, if you can remap it if you want some more torque and thrill. It downshifted for me, did you saw, guys? Okay, let's drive it calmly in the city. Let's not do stupid things. Today we choose this way to go. The brakes, well, are good. Little soft at the beginning, but then it bites well. Nice multimedia with touchscreen we have here. Climate control, multi-wheel, cruise control. This onboard computer, 20 degrees Celsius. Average consumption on 7-liter so far, but that was extra urban drive. I can reset it here. There is a small button on that one, and let we see what will be in the city traffic. On one place, if we sit 1 hour on one place with engine fired up, we'll have half-liter burned. Guys, coronavirus remedy for your mouth. Every time you talk with someone, then make like this, and coronavirus, ciao ciao. Finally, after an hour, oh, this Volvo almost crashed. Really a lot of traffic today, guys. Oh, let's get out of the traffic, guys. Let's get out of here. Wheel spin. Let me take that road here, the shortcuts. Well, in your city there are always shortcuts which we love driving on. Whoa, look at it. Whoa. Let's go, 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 go. I put the throttle now, guys, and there is a little delay between the car taking off. That's something that doesn't like personally about the DSG thing. You're seeing the car that is coming to hit your side, and you're pushing the pedal, and you're just praying, come on DSG, make that engine work for me. Well, you see in traffic jam and aggressive driving, 15 in the city. Who said 1.6 diesels cannot be expensive to run? Hondas. Full throttle, guys. Can really go with low RPM in the city. And on direct, always try to be on the highest possible gear. You can see how low RPM it keeps running. So I've tested the calm driving too. On D mode really annoys me, because it always tries to be on the highest gear, and that actually make it really unresponsible when you want little bit, you don't want a kick down, but you want a little bit, and it just doesn't go. It's just so low RPM, it's completely dead, and it starts downshifting, and the moment it's over and it's downshifted after that. That's why I like manuals, guy. The auto gearbox never knows what you're about to do. It goes to 5K like 535D with P-turbo engine. Sorry, twin turbo. It has a nice pull due to really low ratio gearbox. Due to really short gearbox, it has very nice start. Okay guys, thank you for being with us on that POV City Driving. You can watch the same car on the highway, extra urban drive too, and some review of it if you're interested in such small VAC cars with the diesel engines. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel, put the notification on, and don't forget to click on the bell so that you receive all the alerts. Stay healthy guys, and drive the cars you want. Bye bye.